Me know say Jamaicans don't go like this still, But Kingsley to play the legend, ladies and gentlemen. British actor to play the legend. This is Kingsley right here. He's the actor that actually played Malcolm X One Night in Miami. And we're going to look into the article, see what they're saying. A British actor to play the legendary Bob Marley, ladies and gentlemen. The British actor to play Jamaica's reggae legend in a biopic. Yaganti. Now, of course, Paramount Pictures, which has been planning to make this film of the reggae legend, the reggae icon Bob Marley, has selected British actor Kingsley Ben-Adir to play the star role of Bob Marley. Ben-Adir has recently appeared in One Night in Miami, the role of Malcolm X. Paramount says that the priority to select a good actor for the legend was great, but the priority, the legend reggae singer, after the studio spent years searching this globe right here now to find the right actor to play Bob Marley. They consider one of the most coveted or coveted, actor, director of Marley Biopic will be Reinaldo Marcus Green, the director of King Richard, and Ziggy and Cedella Marley, two of Bob Marley's children, will also be involved in the production, along with their mother, Rita Marley. Though the family enterprise Tuff Gong, Aylin, a writer who worked with the script King Richard, will provide a screenplay for Bob Marley project along with Frank E. Flowers and Terence Winter. While Paramount has not yet revealed what the Marley film will cover, it's believed that it will likely track the career as part of a pioneer journey for the legendary reggae artist. Marley died 81 of cancer. He survived an assassination attempt at his home in Jamaica in 76. After his passing, he received a state funeral in his country, and that's well deserved. Yoganti. Kingsley Ben-Adir was born in Gospel Oak, London. His mother is from Trinidad and his father is British. He attended William Ellis School and graduated from Guildhall School of Music and Drama in 2011. One of his first roles was playing The Riot by Gillian Slovol in 2011 and 2012. He took on the role of Demetrius in the Renington Park Open Air Theater in A Midsummer Night Dream. He played at the Old Vince in the product of Much Ado About Nothing and went on to perform in High Fidelity on Hulu, Peak Blind from the BBC, Netflix, and the OA. He also cast the role of lead villain in the Disney series Secret Invasion, which centered a Marvel Nick Fury, but no details of the role have been released to date. He appeared in several other plays, television production, and films before being chosen for the coming of this biopic of Bob Marley. In other Marvel news, they said that James Band report that Ziggy Marley has announced a one-time tribute concert for his father to take place in London at the O2 Academic Brixton in June of 2022. Media England. The concern is meant to make 50 years since Bob Marley first toured the United Kingdom. People in a Jamaica, vex. Say them couldn't find one Jamaican now, one real Rasta man for play Bob Marley. You organ T. Them a run over with my culture like them riding with the Harley. Me not like them kind of thing, yeah. Cause me know say enough yard man can't play Bob Marley. But again, Kingsley, there is a light-skinned, pretty-looking boy. A gallus he look like. So them know say Bob Marley a gallus. You get a real Rasta man, them all chant down Babylon and burn up the fire too much. Cause them want to see the romantic side of Bob. You organ T, them don't want to see the firing part of Bob. You organ T. So, more congratulate Kingsley there because I don't want to play no player hater. But again, him have the island roots. So, we can't go around him. His mother is from Trinidad. Big up all of my Trini family, them. Especially the Rastafari, them. You know it's Rastafari Soldier of Deep Roots TV reporting live in the studio. Letting you know that Kingsley there is going to play the legendary Bob Marley. You organ T, Paramount is about to do a biopic and everybody are go watch it. So subscribe, like and share this. Leave your comment. I'm Rastafari Soldier of Deep Roots TV, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so excited to be back in the studio. You organ T. So more life and more joy and of course more happiness. You be blessed.